टीवी को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि टेक वर्ल्ड की कोई भी न्यूज़ आपसे मिस ना हो पाए। Hello friends, I am Rajiv and you are watching DTV, India's only 360-degree tech news platform. Friends, today I am gonna do the unboxing of NAS system. Yes, you heard it right. I have this NAS storage solution from one of the leading brands, Synology. The first question that comes in mind is that what is a NAS device and why it is required for you. So first of all, NAS stands for Network Attached Storage and it is an intelligent storage device connected to your home or office network. You can store all family and colleagues files on the NAS system, from important documents to photos, music and video collections. By using a web browser or mobile apps, you can access files and use various services provided by the NAS via the internet. But you must be thinking that Google Drive and Dropbox are already available, so why do we need a NAS system? Friends, Google Drive and Dropbox platforms are accessible by other people as well. You put all your confidential data in the hand of someone whom you don't even know. And using USB drives also don't solve all the issues of you. The shortcomings of USB drives are it can be accessed off-site and don't provide automatic backup. So ultimately, NAS is the answer to all your questions regarding storage and accessibility of your data. I have got Synology NAS DS420 Plus for showing you how this advanced storage device works. First, I will unbox this device and then I will do the complete setup so that you can understand how to set up this device. But before I do the unboxing, request you to please subscribe DTV and hit the bell icon to get all updates regarding our upcoming videos. Now, let's do the unboxing of this NAS device. So this is the box of Synology NAS DS420 Plus. Let's open this box. In this box, we get one power adapter, a power cord, then we have got this RJ45 LAN cable. We have also keys for opening the tray. Also, we have got the quick installation guide in this box, and finally, this is the NS system which we are talking about. Synology DS420 Plus is specially designed for IT enthusiasts and home users. It is equipped with a 2-core processor and built-in M.2 NVMe 2280 SSD slots for cache acceleration. Synology DS420 Plus NAS is ideal for data sharing, video streaming and photo indexing as well. Let's check out the top features of Synology DS420 Plus NAS. 2-core 2.0 GHz processor, 2 built-in M.2 SSD slots, built-in universal portal, intuitive user interface, built-in security tools, access data anytime and anywhere. The powerful 2-core processor of Synology NAS speeds up computing-intensive applications. It boosts photo indexing, database response times, and web PHP response efficiency. Also, Synology Drive provides a built-in universal portal to access your data anytime and anywhere and synchronize all your files across platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android and iOS. Synology NAS works as your personal entertainment and multimedia hub. You can access multimedia content anytime, anywhere through an intuitive web-based interface. The audio station in this NAS is like your personal music center, designed to intelligently sort and organize your audio files and stream to Google Cast-enabled devices. Moreover, you can organize your photos intelligently with Moments. It is a modern AI-enabled photo management application that lets you effortlessly preserve your memories. And lastly, Video Station lets you easily manage and organize movies, TV shows, and home videos, and stream content to computers, smartphones, and media players as well. DS420 Plus is designed to reliably store your data and is backed by Synology's 3-year hardware warranty. An optional 2-year extended warranty is available in selected regions for up to 5 years of coverage. Now I will tell you about the connectivity ports and other features of Synology DS420 Plus NAS device. There are some LED indicators on the front side of the NAS. The first is status indicator and the rest of the indicators indicates the drive status. Here you can see 4 drive trays, and besides these trays, this is a USB 3.0 port and this is a power button indicator. Now let's check the rear side of the device. These 2 ports under system fan are 1 GBE RJ45 port, Under these ports, here is a USB 3.0 port, and this is a power port. So these were the connectivity ports you get in the Synology NAS device. So the unboxing is over. Let me tell you the key benefits of Synology NAS that can help you come over the challenges linked with data storage. This Synology NAS helps you to automatically back up your Windows PC or Mac system. You can back up all your family files to a centralized Synology NAS with Drive Backup. The real-time backup feature prevents massive data loss due to unexpected disasters during backup cycles. Apart from it, you can use Synology NAS as an alternative Google Photos. You might know that Google recently announced it will stop offering free unlimited storage for high-quality photos from June 1st, 2021. So it will be little difficult for users to organize their pictures over the cloud. In this case, Synology Movements allows you to organize photos and videos and view them in a user-friendly and smart way. This personal photo storage is an optimal solution for you to manage the photos captured on your smartphones. With the facial and object recognition feature, making photo sorting and tagging fast and very easy. In addition, the dates and locations of when and where your photos were taken are marked in timeline, keeping a detailed track of the special moments captured in everyday life. Moreover, any smart TV can treat Synology NAS as a media server. The video station features in this NAS system helps you manage all the movies, TV shows and home videos on your Synology NAS. It can also stream videos to various devices, computers, smartphones, media players and TVs to provide you with non-stop fun watching experience. It also enriches your video collections with auto download posters, searches subtitles from the internet and lets you share videos with friends with customized validity. This next-gen device also comes with Quick Connect feature. With Quick Connect, you can easily share all types of files on your Synology NAS. With this device, sharing images, videos and work files to friends and family is easier than never before. Very soon we'll have the next video with my own experience and the entire details about the product furthermore. So friends, I hope that you have liked this video and you will definitely love the way NAS is working. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and office colleagues so that they can be aware about this NAS system which is need of today's hour. Before I sign off, I request you to please do subscribe DTV and hit the bell icon for timely notifications of our all upcoming videos. You can also follow us on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. You can also visit our website www.digitalterminal.in for all updates about technology world. Very soon I'll meet you with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye, take care and take care of your family too.